Hello dear students, today we are going to learning about history, chapter number 1, when, where and how. For class 6, it's part 5. In today's class, we are learning difficult words and pronunciation, how to pronounce that words. So today I am discussing with you. See you students, first spelling, C H R O N O L O G I A C-A-L, chronological. How to pronounce this? Chronological. So what is the spelling? C-H-R-O-N-O-L-G-I-C-A-L, chronological. So what is the meaning of chronological? Chronological means it's the sets the date in serial numbers, means in like set in like order that. Okay, it's a set in like order. It's a chronological. And second one, see here, T-E-S-S-E-L-L-A-T-I-N-G. Translation. Actually this is translating. How to pronounce this? Translating. So translating means what? See here, connecting together. Translating means connecting together and no space in between that. No space in between that. Translating. So it's a means that connecting together. So no space in between that. Okay? This is the second spelling. Third one. H-I-S-T-O-R-I-A. How to pronounce this? Historia. How to pronounce? Historia. Historia means it's a Greek word. Actually it's a history. History is Greek word historia. Understood? Okay. Next spelling. Historian. H-I-S-T-O-R-I-A-N. Okay students, see here. Historian. How to pronounce this? Historian. Okay? Historian. Here first historian, you know that? Herodotus. Herodotus was the first historian. Okay? See here. So next spelling. H-E-R-O-D-O-T-U-S. Herodotus. Herodotus. So how to pronounce this? Herodotus. It means he was the father of the history. Herodotus was the father of the history, and also he was first historian. See here. Next spelling. Pre. P-R-E-H-I-S-T-O Y. Prehistory. How to pronounce this? Prehistory. It's a 4-stage history. Okay? And see here. Next. Protohistory. Protohistory. Protohistory means it's a middle age history. Okay? It's a middle history. So how to pronounce this? Protohistory. Okay? And see here. Next spelling. Okay? IMGRANTS. Immigrants. Immigrants means someone who comes to live in a different country. Immigrant means someone who come to live in a different country. Okay? So it's the immigrants. See here, students. Next spelling. 9th one. FRONTIERS. Frontiers. Frontiers means what here? Border. It's a border. Next spelling. SPATIAL. Spatial means relating to, otherwise occupying. Okay? And next spelling, see here, Archaeological. Okay? See here. ARCHEOLOGICAL. Archaeological means what? To study the old materials. To study about old materials. It is the archaeological. And next one, next spelling, MONUMENTS. Monuments means old structures of buildings. So next spelling, INSCRIPTIONS. How to pronounce this? Inscriptions. Inscriptions means written. Some handwritten means written on stone surface. Some writing on that stone surface. So next spelling is there here. ARTFACTS. Artifacts means these are old pieces of things or belonging to the peoples. This is the old pieces of things. How to pronounce this? Artifacts. So next you see, next spelling, L-I-T-E-R-A-R-Y. Literary. Okay? Literary. So literary means handwritten. Literary means handwritten source. So next spelling, R-E-L-I-G-I-O-U-S. Religious. It's a religious. And next when you see here, 17th one. Okay. Next, S-E-C-U-L-A-R. Secular. Secular. It means some manuscripts records here. Kept means written on some manuscript records. In secular coming that Kautilya's Arthashastra, and religious also it is a literary source. It is a manuscript by handwritten that some religious literatures are there. The Vedas, the Mahabharata, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Gita, Bhagavad Gita. These all are coming in religious. In secular, it is the Arthashastra. By example, that Arthashastra, Kautilya's Arthashastra. So next, spelling, F-O-R-E-I-G-N. It's a foreign. Foreign means what? It's a other country. Okay. You take it our neighbor country. You take it other country. By example, you take it Nepal, China, South Africa, South America. These all are foreign countries. We calling that. So next spelling, E-X-C-A-V-A-T-I-O-N. How to pronounce this? Excavation. 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 Okay? It means archaeological site. Excavation means what? Archaeological site. Okay? Next spelling. See here. A-N-C-E-S-T-O-R-S. Ancestors. How to pronounce this? Ancestors. Ancestor means our ancient peoples. Our ancient peoples. So next spelling, see here. E-U-L-O-G-I-E-S. Eulogies. So, what is this? Eulogies. Eulogies means written high praises. Written high praises of a historical personality by using king. Okay? It is the eulogies. Okay? And next spelling is, see here. S-A-M-U-D-R-A-G-U-P-T-A. Samudragupta. What is this? Samudragupta. It's the name of king. Okay? So next spelling, see here. Next one. N U M I S M A T I C S. Numismatics. How to pronounce this? Numismatics. Numismatics means the study of coins. The study about coins, we call that numismatics. See here students, one by one, once again I am repeating this one. First one, chronological. What is this? Chronological. Next, tesslating. Tesslating. Next one, historia. Historium. So next here, historian. What is this? Historian. Next spelling you see, Herodotus. What is this? Herodotus. Next you see, prehistory. Prehistory. Proto-history. Proto-history. Immigrants. Immigrants. Frontiers. Frontiers. Spatial. Spatial. Archaeological. Archaeological. Monuments. Monuments. Inscriptions. Inscriptions. Artifacts. Artifacts. Literary. Literary. Religious. Religious. Secular. Secular. Foreign. What is this? Foreign. Execution. Execution. Ancestors. What is this? Ancestors. Eulogies. Eulogies. Samudragupta. What is this? Samudragupta. And this one, numismatics. Numismatics. Okay, students. Again, I am continuing. Next balance. Okay, student. See here. Okay. Next spelling is there here. 24. A-C-O-T-T-A. Terracotta. Terracotta. Okay. See here. Say. Okay. So next one coming here. Branch. B-R-O-N-Z-E. Branch. So next spelling, C-I-V-I-L-I-S-A-T-I-O-N. Civilization. Civilization. So next spelling, B-I-R-C-H. Birch. B-H-O-J-P-A-T-R-A. Bhojapatra. Okay. Next you see V-E-D-A-S. Vedas. R-A-Y-A-M-A-N-A. Okay. Ramayana. R-A-M-A-N-A. Ramayana. Okay. See here. Ramayana. R-A-M-A-Y-A-N-A. See here. Some spellings are there now. Terracotta. How to pronounce this? See here. T-E-R-R-A-C-O-T-T-A. double R A C O double T A. See here how to pronounce this? Terracotta. Terracotta. So these are some terracotta twice, some are the artifacts. Next one, see B R O N Z E, bronze. Bronze, it is the metal. Next, C I V I L I S A T I O N, civilization. Civilization. It's a Harappan civilization and Indus Valley civilization coming here. Next, B-I-R-C-H, bitch. Before some sages they are written some records on the palm leaf. We are calling that bitch. Bitch. Next, B-H-O-J-P-A-T-R-A, Bhojapatra. We are calling that palm leaf Bhojapatra. V-E-D-A-S, Vedas. Vedas. Okay, so these are religious literature, Vedas. Next, R-A-M-A-Y-A-N-A, Ramayana. This is also religious literature. Okay, terracotta, bronze, civilization, beach, Bhojapatra, Vedas, Ramayana. Okay, so total 30 spellings are completed, difficult spellings, and how to pronounce you know today's class. Okay, I hope today's class you will understood and you write it neatly and also correct pronounce it that, and also these all spellings by heart it. 30 spellings in today's class by heart it and you correct pronounce it. Okay, and next class I am continuing in next period. Thank you.